I go first.
There's only 3 of you. So I'll ask you for 1 word each. So yeah, Nikki, you go first.
Passionate.
Passionate. Okay. Leslie?
Dedicated.
Ruth?
Committed.
Okay. And just in closing, can you each kind of just put into maybe just 1 line, why work with the Consult Centre? Why should people work with the Consult Centre? Right. Nikki, do you want to start with that?
I want someone to look at your business as if it's their own. The Consult Centre can do that for you.
Okay. Leslie?
Online is our business. We can help you make it yours.
Woo!
I like
that.
Follow that, Ruth.
We always do more than is expected. Which is true. That's our standard, which is do more. We always do more than expected. Yeah, we do. And I'm really proud of that, actually. That's the bit when they go, oh my God, didn't realise you're going to do that. That's ace. Yeah. Mm.